Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are a real estate agent or a broker looking to build a high converting real estate website, then Agentfire is the best tool for you. So with Agentfire, guys, you can create a stunning real estate website, generate and capture leads with advanced IDX tool, and then customize landing page for listing and neighborhoods, and then automate marketing with powerful integrations. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through everything from setting up your site. So this website, guys, they have their plan here. So in order for you to choose your own design, so depending on you, which plan do you want here. So they have their monthly plan and then annually. So what is this website? So this website is a real estate website builder that is designed specifically for realtors. Unlike general website platforms like Wix or the WordPress, this website provides IDX home search integrations, which is they showcase live property listings and hyper-local landing pages, target specific neighborhoods. And they also have their CRM integration, so you can sync with tools like Follow Up Boss, Lioness, and more. And now let's start by setting up your website. So on getting started, guys, you need to sign up for an Agentfire website. You will land then on their dashboard. Here you can choose a website theme. Select from professionally designed templates. Then you can customize the branding. You can add your logo, brand, colors, and then the fonts. So there you can set up your IDX feed. So you can also have essential pages like home, about, listings, and then the contact. So to begin, you just need to go to the settings, site customization, and adjust the design to match your brand. So here, guys, the pro tip here is use Agentfire's demo site so as an inspiration to see what works best for realtors in your area. So one of the most powerful features of this website, guys, is their IDX integration, which allows the visitors to search for live property listings. So there, to enable this one, guys, you just need to go to the listings option on your dashboard and then choose IDX integration. You can connect your MLS feed. So this may require an API key form from your MLS provider, guys. So you can customize search filters such as price range, property type, and then the location. So embed a property search bar on your homepage. So bonus feature, you can create custom listings pages for specific property types. So you can also add virtual tours, guys, and high quality images to make listing more engaging. So now let's talk about creating high converting landing pages. You just need to go to the pages and then you can select a pre-built template or create from scratch. So you can add a lead capture form and then click the publish. So here you can create new neighborhood specific pages, and they also have their capturing and managing leads and blogging and SEO optimization for real estate, the most important part. So here, use Agentfire's hyperlocal content add-on to generate neighborhood pages with local insights. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to set up and optimize an Agentfire real estate website like a pro. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye! If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more real estate marketing tips.